Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now look, I don't think it is going to go up for a little while because this is holding. This line is holding. Now it's coming down. Look, if I lose and lose, my stop loss is right in 75. So it
Yeah.
will be a huge couple of grand. You know, I will lose couple of grand. Seriously. That's how, I mean, it is. But at nighttime, so I will maybe make more than that. I will make, last night was crazy. Monday is not really good day to trade, but I really made good amount. When was it? I think I sold off from here only this much and I slept. And that was done. And after I slept, look, market was gone all the way up.
Yeah.
So if I was awake, you could have made thousands of dollars because I would say it will happen once you start to trade in a real account. But it's still, when you start to see the result in your demo account, then the confidence comes. So when you are like discouraged and it doesn't work, no, I mean, I will assure, if you start to see the market in a certain way, which is market will do some kind of market moves in a certain way, which is a rhythm and algorithm,
Yeah.
algorithm. I would say algorithm and rhythm. Market definitely will go up to here again. It has to go again if it doesn't cross down. So means you can take advantage of that momentum. Like now market has already started to buy from here, but we have no guarantee it will buy. But what we have to do is, yes, please.
Yeah, a couple of things. Oh, damn it.
Are you okay?
No, the question was right there, and then it went
You
away.
forgot.
But
Oh, okay.
there is one thing, and I was curious about, because people say, all right, only focus on a couple of currency pairs.
Yeah.
My question is, if the candlesticks all work the same way, and everything you look at, the exponential moving averages, and all that works the same, what's the difference? It's just
Yeah.
numbers.
Yeah, but when you watch one currency pair, where is the support level. You will buy from support when you watch one currency pair. But when you're watching all over the places, you don't know. It will take some time for you to see where is
So
the where is
it's about getting familiar with it.
yes, how it
Okay.
moves, when there is a fundamental, how it impacts the fundamental, when there is no news, when there is, I mean, in London session, how it moves, in New York session, how it moves, and in even Tokyo session, how it moves. Like when you watch just don't trade. Sometimes I think do this favor for me. Suppose you are trading AUD USD, right? Aussie dollar and our Aussie and US dollar. In 2 minute chart, even I'm saying the huge significant downfall. So downfall, it's a free fall, I would say. I wouldn't go and sell from here because market has sold significantly. I would wait market to come probably, it has created some kind of resistance here. Small, sorry, not resistance, rejection, I would say, not even support. It's not support, but rejection. So if it comes here, it may go down here. So this number, when you have that, like when you keep watching this number, what will happen to you is 0.64115 if it cross. Okay, I will give you some example. I will make a small kind of line here. So that's why we need to learn, you need to learn how to draw those lines. Quickly deleting everything here. Oops, sorry. Okay, I will, oh no. No, sorry. Oh, okay, this is not happening. Okay, I'll just change this one. All right, wow. So why I draw these lines here? To understand, okay, next move. If market is moving downwards, okay, so look, it crosses this recent, which is a pivot point, you can say. This is a lower pivot point, and this is our pivot point. It has already crossed it. Means I will quickly.
It's about 2 months. It's about a 2-month low, a 2-month support.
Yeah, okay. If I go to daily chart, I think I will be able to show you nicely. Okay, next sell. If it continue to sell, then if you watch this currency pair again and again and again, you will be able to see that, okay, it has to come up to here. So when you watch one currency pair, so it will help you. Okay, if if I'm here, probably from here, it bought it, right? It sold off, it bought it from here, means the next buying position is here. So this could be the position where you will be looking to buy the market. So that's why you don't want to jump into the market just without knowing what is happening. Now it's selling really, really fast. Means, look, sometime if we sell for a little while, we may make money. We may make money. That's no doubt about it. We may make, right? But when you go to the lower time frame, you always need to check what's happening in the lower time frame. In the lower time frame, oops, sorry. In the lower time frame, let me quickly show you again to you. Yeah, it's still selling off. Still selling off. Means if you still want to sell from here, look, you have to wait. Market has to go. It already have created a small, green candle. Now we are selling off from here. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, look like my, gold will hit the stop loss. That's okay. I will close it manually in a few minutes. I'm still in a trade. It's a, yeah, couple of, yeah, it's a, it's in loss, big loss for now. But I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it, So here I would say, because if AUD USD is selling, gold is also selling too. That's how the correlation. There is a USD, currency. So for this, I don't want to sell from here because already I have seen the green candle here. But I will wait market to go a little bit higher, and then I will sell. So that's what the question, what I'm trying to share with you is, when we watch one currency pair again and again and again, so we know that, okay, every time it does something like this, it means it is going to buy a little while. It will buy a little while. Look, when it's a rejection here, it's a rejection here. Yeah, it's even in a smaller time frame, you can see it will buy for a little while. It will buy,
Yeah.
but we are not going to buy because it market is falling down, means it's opposite terrain. We don't want to get into the market when there is a opposite direction trend, right? So here, if you see, we will wait. Probably I will show you how to use this. I think I have not shared that, but I have used it in front of you. So every time, whenever there is a free fall like this, so market has to do some kind of correction. Like always, market has to do some kind of correction. Means market may come, but it's not guaranteed. It's not guaranteed. Market may come in this area. It's for sure. Market has to come to this area, and then it will sell off again. So why? How do I know that? It has happened many times in the past, and you can see why this blue line. I'll quickly show you why this blue line, because this is a heavy supported resistance. You can see that, right? How many times market has come and did some reaction right here. So that's how, yeah. So that's how we understand the market, read the market, and same thing here, and it sold off again. It was trying to hold a little while. But it couldn't buy from here. It sold off again. It was, I think, 2 days. This morning, it sold off very nicely.
So it was ranging there between where I
Yes,
was.
it was ranging. That's correct. Now,
Yeah.
my question for you is, if you are, I mean, not question, but my suggestion is that as a trader, I mean, we are not going to, because you are practicing in a demo account, I want you to be very comfortable there. Very comfortable. Make as much as mistakes you can. But the disappointment is because you still don't know how to read the chart yet. Okay. So that's why. So it will take some time. Look, I have spent reading this chart many, many years. So I still do some mistakes. So means that I am not perfect. I'm not perfect. But I told you this area was to buy. Now it will buy for a little while. That's what I know. That's what I know. Why? Because I have seen a kind of rejection here, even in a 5-minute chart. See, I was telling you it will buy. It's buying. Why? Am I magical? Am I moving the market? No, I'm not moving the market, but it is buying right now because it has to do some kind of correction. So if it has to do some correction, it might even reach this level. If it reached their level, made some kind of movement, and try to again push down, like make a bearish engulf candle like this, then it is going to sell again. But we never know. It may continue to buy from here. So that's why we do not want to sell off from this kind of bottom. So that is like, I want you to write down in a piece of paper, like never sell from lower low. This is a lower low. This is a lower low. I will teach you today's session that what is market structure, what is market structure literally, and how to sometime find out this multiple rejection. I think we already have gone through the checklist, right? Checklist, like entry checklist. I have already taught. I have gone through that. I might send you that documentation if you need. It might help here. So it will sell. Look, it was selling for a little while. Market will never do sell, 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 sell. It has to come a little up and come down again. So the question is, no one knows that how far market can come up. So sometime market can come up, continue to go. Yes, Dan, please.
Yeah. So what I found myself doing, and it was like I was buying near the top.
Oh,
And
okay.
I was going, why the hell did you do that? It's just
Yeah.
I'm looking at that going, oh, right, it's going to climb more. Just I kept getting it wrong.
Yes.
Just exactly what you told me not to do.
This is I still do that mistake, silly mistake. That's really most of the common mistakes done by the traders.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. So for this case, what I want you to do is having a look. Only couple of currency pairs will help you to like probably, okay, this is how it moves, and the algorithm, and then you like it's kind of heartbeat. You become heartbeat of that currency, that currency pair. Heartbeat means
Yeah.
every time it's moving, it's moving with a heartbeat. It's moving with a heartbeat. So when you have that synchronicity within that currency pair, like there is never the chance that you will make a mistake. Of course, they still make a mistake. There is no, I wouldn't say, but there'll be less mistakes. There'll be less mistakes. And then market becomes your friend, and you will be able to make money from the market. So my main intention through this coaching program is to help you at least to make $100, $200 a day from market. Yesterday I made I don't know to say that, I made I lost before. I was losing because I did the same mistake. So this is still I'm doing it. But I know when there is a momentum in the market, you have to fall for that momentum. Like when there is a big wave coming, just fall into the wave, boom, catch some peeps, and just stay calm, because every dollar in the market or from the market is not yours. So leave the market on your own terms. Like every dollar, because now someone is buying from here. Yeah, little bit. I don't know how many pips it moved, a little bit, not much, but it's a little bit. Yeah, 7 pips is still money. So if you wanted to buy, always look for the opportunities, something like this. Small pips, not for too long, just for little bit. Maybe for 10 pips. That's it. 10 pips done. 10 pips means like even 0.10 means $10. $10, 4-5 trades, $10 done. Done for the day. Like $40-$50 if for the like in the beginning. Like that's why do not trade too much. Yesterday I was doing crazy. I mean, some days are crazy for me as well. But I'm so glad that I was able to like recover my loss and made extra. And then because I have to go for shopping, and I said I got some money for my shopping today. Like it was I think I made not much. It was not much, 1800 now. Yeah, it's 1800. You can say, yeah, it's still the money. This week I made the profit people make like made profit equivalent to few people's monthly salary just within a week. It doesn't happen all the time. Sometimes we lose as well. So that's why it's not linear income that people go for work and earn every single week, but it's kind of, you can make more in some weeks, really happy, like 10,000, 15,000 in one week. Then the other week probably it will be just 1 or 2,000 because market is not in your favor sometime. That's how it is. That's how it is. So just go with the flow. I will share one of the documentation. Probably it will help you more, Dan, because the main intention is to help you. This one, I think, liquid. No, not this one. I'll keep this one. This is very advanced one. I will keep this one for the leg. Just give me one moment.
Oh, can I ask you something, please?
Please.
Can you please make sure that when I organize with the banking to pay you the money, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be coming out every month. So could you check that, please? Because I've had a reminder to go and do
Oh
that.
yeah,
And
I think it's already came through. It's already came through. It's automatic. Yeah, it's automatic. It's came through. Yeah, thank you so much for that.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
No worries.
And I have another class coming up April 25th. There are so many, demand is coming, more demands. I said I
Oh,
don't want
good.
to, I don't want to take, and I don't want to teach anyone. I make more money just by trading than teaching. Teaching is some kind. Oh my God! But I believe just to transfer my belief to other people is still good. Uh, because I believe this from my heart and soul, from from my inner being, that if you really focus, then only for 6 months. I want you to focus on 6 months, only for 6 months. I know there'll be some disaster, there'll be some disappointment, discouragement. But if you really want to, like, okay, you have that passion inside that, okay, market can make a lot of money for you if you do a right thing. So I will teach you like how to do a right thing. So I think I will share my screen right now. That at this one probably I have already shared with you. Let me know if I haven't, because I definitely definitely think the checklist, like checklist. Yeah, this one, did I share with you this one or no? Like,
I don't think so.
okay, so I'm
You
I'm
shared
look
with me some of them, but this I do anyway.
okay. So it's like a it's like
I more write down the pros than the cons, but the cons are up here. But I'll do that more. What
okay.
I'm finding
Yes,
trouble
yes, yes.
is that
Absolutely
it
lovely, lovely,
takes
lovely.
a long time to transfer it into the computer because I write
100%
it down and then I put the journal. It
true.
is show you the journal. It's on the computer, so that always takes quite a bit of time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So,
Yeah.
okay. So what I would want you to do is, okay, probably whenever you are trading, this checklist probably it's an entry checklist. Like before you enter the market, entry checklist. So I'm writing in my, I have a diary. So what I will do, I have shared this one with you already. Okay. So entry checklist will always go and check higher time frame. This check like what is happening in the higher time frame.
Mm,
Higher time frame, right? Like it's called top down analysis. It's called top down analysis. And it
mm,
is also given in the book. I think you are reading the book as well eventually. That book is actually a golden nugget that really have helped me so much when
mm,
I had a lot of struggle. I have gone through the same experience like you are right now. Remember,
mhm.
I was about to give up. I already told, I think, to many people that I was about to give up because I was not making money. I was definitely losing money in the beginning of my phase. That's why, because there was no one was there to tell me I should practice more in demo account, right? And whenever you are trading in a demo account, then what happens is you become wild and you have no discipline, because that's not attached money, like that's the money that it's a fake money, and you're not really attached with that money. So that's why you never become a disciplined trader. So after 3 months, probably maximum 3 months, you are going to practice in a demo. And even though you're not making money, so you have to start with the very small amount, $100 probably. Like when you start to trade in a like $100 account, 0.01 lot size, that will be your least lot size. What will happen is you will be able to feel the pain when you lose money. You will be able to feel the pain when you lose money, seriously.
Yeah, yeah.
And then you will be sticking with the rule, you'll be sticking with the plan, and you will have a trading plan. I think, do you have a trading plan? Do you already create, or have you already created a trading plan?
I, I haven't written it down. It sort of lives up here, but I was going to ask you more about that.
Okay,
Uh,
I have shared a
I just
checklist.
have to go back to that list and do the discipline and
Yes.
create a plan. Yes. Yeah.
So so have you downloaded from the group? Because I have already shared the checklist, trading plan, and then Excel sheet in the WhatsApp
Yeah.
group.
Yeah.
Okay, good, good.
It's in my Forex folder.
Yes, 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 yes. Very good. Okay, that's good then. Okay, let's go back to our like this. Look, I already told, I think there are 3 types of traders. I mean, especially 4 types of traders. Number one is a swing traders. Who are swing traders? Swing traders are those people who can stay in the market, who wants to stay in the market for longer period of time. Means that they will just set their TP, which is target, and then they will set the stop loss, which is their, like kind of safety net, and then let the market work for them. And it will just, there will be a huge gap in between stop loss, probably because of the market can swing up and high and down. So that's how it is. Swing trade is kind of longer period of time, like they have to stay for
Mm.
longer. In this type of trading style, you always have to start from the top to down. So you will go to the monthly time frame first. You will ask yourself, are we at the monthly support or resistance level? So probably I have already shared with you in the beginning of the, okay, look, I was, oh, yes, this is what I was talking about then. You always have to find this position to buy. See, I said, if you buy from here, that's a buying zone. That's a buying zone. Always buy from bottom. So it will at least go 10 pips up. It will go 10 pips. Seriously. See, it's buying now. Like your stop loss would be right here. You can see the red line is your stop loss. 0.64049 is your stop loss. Your TP is, now it will hit TP right in 10 seconds. It will hit TP. 10 pips done means $10. If your lot size is, one lot size is $100. See, it's not hard to make money from the market, but we as a human being, we are creating that lot of complexity because market is made in that way. Market doesn't want us to make money from the market. Seriously, that's the whole philosophy here, and the psychology is they want us to lose money. That's why they create a fake moment. They create that adverse environment in the market that, okay, it's the massive buying, selling. So people want to sell from here again. Now see what a market will do. Boom, and it will come up, and then we'll lose. If you have sold from here, if you have sold from here, you had lost some money. Yeah. So now look, I don't know whether it will hit TP or not. It's still very not close to TP. But when you see when market is maybe from here or here, I will stop, remove this one. When you see this kind of whenever market comes probably here, so you will see, it will do some kind of like rejection and this and that, this and so then means market is creating rejection from this side, means market can go downward. So always have a look. My strategy is very simple. I have created very simple rule. So it's actually going to, I think it's going to it's going to hit TP very soon. This is good. All right. I'm going to go to the checklist. So the checklist probably will help you, like when to get into the market, go to the weekly time frame. So I will stop this one. Oh, TP hit. We are going upward. Ooh, did you see? If you had placed an order, so look, don't worry. At the same time, we will live trade. I will live trade with you. But for now, we already missed, But for now, we already missed. So how do I know it will buy from here? Because you could see in a 5 minutes time frame, it has made some kind of rejection here. Rejection.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, rejection. One rejection, two. It couldn't pass through. And we already see now. Can you see the red now? Yeah. Now the time we already hit 10 pips because we are in an opposite direction. We don't want to go. We don't want to place here. It will not go there. It will come down eventually because market is downtrend right now, right? So hang on. I will quickly. Okay, that's done. We already. Yes, please.
So as a rule,
Yeah.
you would look for rejection before the change.
Yes, market will do some kind of rejection before it change the trend. That's 100% right. Market will do some kind of rejection before it changes its trend. For now, we have no idea. Market may continue to buy from here or continue to sell, but it will show some rejection again. You even can see this in a 1 minute time frame. Okay, yes, market has started a rejection here from here. See? Rejection from here. Okay, let's sell from here. I'm just showing you like how. Okay, let's sell from here. Probably just right now if you want to place that order. Okay, let's see. Yeah, but it may not happen because it may not happen. Let's see. This is, but if it has to be at least a multiple time.
Yeah, of the reject. Yes, yeah.
Yeah, after rejection. Yeah,
At one level, yeah. You can sort of see that.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we just if we are doing like this, it's kind of gambling, like going this one. But the rule is, it has to come here. It's like the rule is the blue line wherever I draw the line. That's the level that market has to do the correction. So if from this line, you can see if again multiple rejection, for example, like this, I don't know how to, yeah, like this, it will come, some doji candle, again another candle, again another candle, again another, okay, then time to sell from here. But for now, if there is a pushing upward, if market is still pushing upward, even you can check 1 minute time frame, then that's okay. Check 1 minute time frame as well. That's totally fine. Because that 1 minute time frame also matters. Okay, hang on. I'll just, sorry. Oops, I'll just take this one off. Yeah, so this is like, you can scalp. Because I was giving you the example of swing trader. This is not the style of swing trader. Swing trader doesn't do like that. Swing trader literally go to the higher time frame. You know, that's what I was talking about. Higher time frame, they will check if there is some support and resistance or not. Okay, so we just headed down from the support. Okay, this was a support zone. You can see this was really good support. From this support zone, we falling downward. Means market is heavily downtrending right now. When the market is heavily downtrending, and it just hit this trend line and coming downward. But when market is doing this kind of activities, we have to be careful that we do not want to take action right now. But you could buy a little bit. You could buy a little bit because market was in support zone. It will do a little bit of correction and come down again. Little bit of correction, but market may go high again. We have no idea.
That great big gap off to the left.
Yeah.
That great big that buy gap there between, it's got to cover that. So
yeah, it may. Yeah, that's correct. That's what this blue line is here for. Yeah, it may come down. It may come down.
I mean, up where your arrow there. Yeah, that one there.
Yeah. That's correct. So, but before it come down here, it has to go up from this line, especially from this line. It has to come down. Yeah, so that's how market moves. So if you see, look, I was telling that's like what's one currency pair. So understanding. Okay. When you watch one currency pair, so then what happens is, number one, you will be able to see it's a type of momentum, like how it moves, what kind of momentum, what kind of candlestick. In the numbers, you will be able to see. So now the market is, no, I was telling you to sell. I think now that was the good time to sell. So if you wanted to sell, yes, the correction was done. A small correction was done. Now time to sell. See, I mean, even in a smaller time frame, I'm not lying you. I'm telling you right now what is happening in the market. I don't know what will happen in the future, but I'm telling you, I think market is doing exactly the same thing. So do not complicate things too much. All you have to do is just find out the, like go to the smaller time frame, because overall market is selling. I don't want to buy for long. Even you find the opportunity like this rejection, you can buy for 10 pips. I think 10 pips, it beat just 10 pips. I was not going for 15 pips. Do you know why? Because when market is downtrending, market will not go that much far. Especially in gold, it will go. Gold, 90% retrace. It will happen. Gold, 90% retrace. That's why I'm leaving this. If it hits my stop loss, I have no problem, especially this one. See, it went all the way up, again coming down. So means that people who bought from here, they still can make money from here. Right now, when I was talking to you, I could have bought like 38 pips. Right now, I could have bought. Now, again, it's making a kind of rejection here. This rejection might be to sell off or to continue upward. So for now, I will not take any action. I will just wait and watch. And if for the additional confirmation, look, I will check my indicator, which are my EMA. Look, my EMA is still telling market will buy. This EMA is 200 EMA. So market is still telling market is going to go upward. If it breaks this line, look, seriously, it may come down to even 70. And then when they come down, they will like this, the mother, and then this is mother, and then this is a child. They have to hug each other. They have to hug each other. So it's coming down now. You can see why. The reason why it's coming down, it's because there is a huge rejection here. And there was a huge rejection. So now look like market is selling. I have to close this trade in like manually in few $100 loss. This one was good. I was really but I will, this is what you have to decide. There is another documentation for me that to share with you, that trade management. It's a skill. Trade management, like even though you enter in a wrong timing, but your analysis was right, but you enter at wrong timing, you still can manage those losing trade into the winning trade. For me, look like I actually bought, I bought it somewhere from here, but I'm still like my TP is up high here. That's where I wanted. I was waiting because I don't want to go in loss. I want to close in profit. But sometime rather than losing more money, it's better to lose less and then stay out of the market and find out the next opportunity to buy. So for me, like, yeah, so it's kind of coming down or again. I'm
It's
sharing my own
interesting.
experience. Yeah.
The tail of the EMA 20 is very interesting. How quickly, like it was pointing like it was really going to run down.
Yes. 1 minute.
Then
See? Yeah, yeah. So
shifting off to
yes,
the
yes,
right
yes. Exactly,
level.
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly, exactly. Exactly. So for now, look, when I see this, okay, I would like to share something about this magic about this 2 EMA, this 20 and 200. Look, I'm noticing this a lot. Because I bought, look, multiple times because I sold somewhere from here. I know I bought somewhere from here because I knew that it's supposed to buy because saw fell down. It bought it, but my TP was quite high. Now market came down and I saw these 2 EMA. You can see the 2 EMAs. What they are doing is they are crossing each other. Means crossing means when EMA is going downward, it was selling, right? Now this EMA came up and the other. Now this is something like you can see market will, if it has to buy or sell something, like there will be some significant momentum is happening, your EMA will tell you, okay, so probably this is going to sell significantly. Now I can see that because this 20 EMA is pointing downward and 200 EMA is just middle of the, you can say, resistance, it's creating in the middle. But I am okay to lose that much money because my stop loss is quite, here. If it breaks this level, it will definitely come down. That's a blue, this blue line, this one, especially this one. But if doesn't, if it's going downward, I will have to close it. So I'm still in a, like I was, when it was making this high, I was okay. I was okay. I was break even. I was break even. But now it's in a loss because my lot is big lot. It's a big lot size, which is fine. Let's see, because it's still kind of, it's a lesson for every single day that not every day is the same day as a trader. Like as even a trader, because market doesn't move like yesterday. It will change every day. So yeah, understand this. Look, I'm still holding this trade because I do believe. That's my belief again. See, you have to hold on your belief system because you are trading your belief in the market. I do believe this market is going to cross this line. This is going to cross this line and going to go make a bigger high, another higher high. That's what I believe, but it may not happen. It may not happen. So that will be the lesson for me. Okay, you believe something else, which is silly bugger. It didn't happen in the market. So that's like it's my experience. I'm
All
holding on.
today. That's a 1 minute. So this is just all today. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. This is just 1 minute. Yeah. So this is just 1 minute. So now, if it has to buy from here, okay, I will share something that what it has to do is this EMA has to come like this. This is 200. And then this 20 EMA, they will cross each other and they will do like this. They will do like this again. They will do like this. They have to do something like this because you see here, same thing happened here. It crossed over. It's double cross means it's significant buy. Double cross means significant buy, double cross. And whenever, so there is again significant, okay, so here is like significant sell. Why? You can see significant sell is happening right now. Came down, it went up, and again came up. Okay, so now we are middle of nowhere. Middle of nowhere means that this EMA hasn't created. Just waiting. This I'll delete this one. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I should have closed it earlier, but that's okay. Because this is a lesson. This is a lesson. I want to learn more. Like that's more you learn, more you hold the trade and what is happening. If you're scared, don't be scared of the market. You should not be scared of the market. Seriously, I don't think scaring things, will help us to learn more. So just hold it. What is happening? Okay, but at least take a less risk. Take a less risk. You will find another more opportunity. You will find. So for now, look, if I see in a 1 minute time frame, because this both line are pointing downwards, means market is going to go down. So it is pointing downward, 1 minute time frame, and you can see it's more. The red candles are forming. More red candles are forming. So look like it's going to break this level. So what I'll do is I'll close this trade manually. If it doesn't go through, yeah, that's only the way, because rather than losing more money, lose less and find other opportunity to buy or even sell in the future. Market will move very nicely. I'm so glad that you're waking up at night time. The best time to trade is 12:30 at night time. Like, that's so much volume that time, so much liquidity. You have to just catch that liquidity, and then hold the trade for a little longer, because if it's moving that side, it will move a little longer. Yeah, so that's what it will do. Yeah, so let's see. Look like it's going to sell because the push is towards downward. Yeah, I'll close this trade. Maybe move my stop loss.
Kind
Even
of hitting that support there. There's
it's because
fighting
you
back.
can see it has to do something. It has to do something here. But if it's falling this like this, means even our EMA has already told, EMA. You can see the EMA. When our 200 EMA is doing this, means it has to come down. It has to come down. It is showing. It is showing now. But when you go to, like, say 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes time frame, it is still going upward. It is still going upward. It has to go upward. But we have to trust higher time frame analysis, which is bigger time frame. But that's what I'm holding. That's what I was holding this one. At least if it is not crossing this line, it has to go upward. But I think it's been just a couple of hours. It's doing same thing again and again. Same thing again and again.
Yeah, it's been ranging quite nicely, hasn't it?
Yeah, quite nicely, ranging quite nicely. So let's see what will happen. I'm happy. But this is how you trade. This is how you trade. That's why the morning is not good time to trade for me. I should never trade it. But I saw really good opportunity. But I made some money already, which is good. But the holding trade are losing trade. Remember that. Sometimes we hold a trade which are losing trade. Losing, that we should not hold the loser. We should not hold the loser. So we will see. Probably end of this session, we'll see either it will hit my stop loss or it will hit my TP. Either way.
In experience, where does it? Because I was looking at a couple of trades I was doing yesterday, and I thought, hang on to your analysis. Sort of just you've come in for a particular reason. You think it's going to do this, and it's doing the other, and you're just going, it's losing. Where do you cut that? Do you cut that when you start thinking it's time to cut? Is there a
No. That's why, okay. So look, I'm still holding this trade, even it's a losing trade. I'm holding it. Reason why is it hasn't crossed this line. But if it will cross this line, then I have to make sure that market is no longer buying for a little while. It will buy if I can move my stop loss down here. It may come up again. But why should I lose that much money or draw back?
Yeah.
So that's what I
set your stop loss and use that.
Yeah, so I use my stop loss, like say it's I think 75 somewhere here. Market, I have 75 here. Stop loss is here. Because market came down just to scare me. It came down here all the way to 79.30. It went up again. And same thing, like market is holding this line so tightly. If it melt down, it has to come down and then buy. This is what happens. This is what happens. And it may come to 72 as well. So it may come to 72 because market already knows whose stop loss is where. Most of the time, yeah.
For me, I think gold, I'm watching this, and gold is really exciting, but
yeah,
it is so volatile.
Yes.
I think where I would have to set a stop loss would be too big at the moment.
Too big.
A loss I couldn't afford.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. That's why what I suggest you to go to the 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes time frame. And what you are going to do is then you are not going to trade in this ranging market, because this is a high risk trade, high risk, very, very high risk, because market is going up and down, up and down. It's not creating a solid momentum. But when you trade in New York session, I will show you something like this. So if you are trading in New York session, look, oh my God, the momentum is so clear, very clear, because in yesterday's session, I will quickly show you. Wait a minute. Okay, so I was supposed to share you the documentation first. So see, I mean, market was holding. This was a ranging market yesterday. Again, same thing. You can see this was a highly, highly ranging market, right? This was ranging, yeah, same thing, up and down. But when I saw this market 75 cross down, I sold off. I couldn't go to onto 26, but I sold up 30 up to 44 to 30. I sold off, and I recovered the losses, because look, in the beginning, everyone will have a losses. Remember that, because market is like that. Market is like that. But whatever, because this, whenever you trade in this kind of market, there will be losses. There will be losses. Same thing, I should not have entered here. This is another lesson for me, because I did yesterday same thing and today same thing. But I already have made some, which is, like say 5,416. If we see, I already have made that money, But even I lose the another running trade, which is now it's running. I think market will buy, but market will not buy right away. Then what it will do is market will come down. Of course, it has to, because many people are sitting here buying position. It has to come and touch the stop loss. It has to take the stop loss and then go up and fly in the sky. So to trade gold, my suggestion is only, like this was yesterday was 2, you said you wake up at 4 a.m. 4 a.m. See, 4 a.m. you could have bought this whole candle, see, whole candle. It was all between last night 4 a.m. to 4:45. Yes, 4:30 to 5:30 a.m. 4:30 to 5:30 a.m. This was the momentum. This was the momentum. See, because you saw market has already broke the line. See, broke the line means this was the recent resistance here created by the market. If it broke the line, means market is going to buy for a little while. That's what you understand that. That's what you understand. Now, same thing, what I'm understanding is, that's what I'm sharing with you. So this line, literally, I will just draw on the line, like if I can see. Okay. So the line I'm drawing here is market is holding this position for so long, holding this position for so long. So that's what I'm holding my trade. My stop loss is right here, 75, to give some gap. It's okay. Even I lose, I know I will lose couple of grand. In this one, of course, because I probably entered from here somewhere, 83, I don't know, 80, yeah, which was not good decision. I should have entered from here, took some profit. While I'm talking with you, look, right now, market is going upward in 15 minutes candle. I'll quickly show you how much pip. Yeah, 16 pips, not too bad. This will show in a 1 minute candle. Okay, now this is scary, I don't want to see that. I want to see the more green here, not red. More green here, okay, not red. But it will not happen. Like, it will not happen what I want. Market will do whatever it wants. So for now, look, what I can share with you is your checklist should be, am I in the support and resistance, whether you are in 1 minute or you are in a 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour time frame, if you see this market, yes, I was in a support zone. That's why I bought. That's why I already made some money. But I should not sell from here. Like, if you are selling some, like you said that you're selling from here, because market is in the top of the mountain, why should I sell from here? We have to wait market to come down and sell again. It actually bought again. And when market is on the top of the mountain, you sell off. That's what it is. And that's how it's supposed to be. But of course, the silly mistakes everyone does. That's how we grow, because this industry is vast. Then in 1 or 2 days, or even in 1 month, it will not be enough time. So my recommendation is for you to please keep watching the book that keep reading the book that I have provided you.
Yeah.
That book is a golden nugget for you. It will really help you, like how to trade a ranging market, how to trade in a trending market, and how to trade, the break even, break and retest. So this is break and retest. So this one is exactly, this one was broken, and then this retested, and we again bought from here. It's a very small time frame. Same thing here. The broken break and retest means it will actually not show in the 5 minutes, but it still can trade. Break and retest means it has to break the line. Okay, I'll quickly show you. If market breaks this line, then suppose I will be in huge loss, which is totally fine. I'm sharing my experience. But if it breaks this line, it will have to retest, come back and retest the line. Okay, it is look like it's going to go downward, which is fine. Come on, market, scare me. Come on. I'm not scared of you, market. So, this once it's broke this line in front of you, if it breaks this line, it will break this line. It has to come down and then go down. That's called break and retest strategy. That's another strategy. It will break this common level, which is of course holding position, you can say support level. If it breaks this line, it has to come back again. It may go up here as well. It will sell again. It will sell again. So same thing happened here. It broke this line and retested again, sold off. Okay. So that's it. Let's go back. I think we have a time.
So can you just take that chart to the left for the moment? Just go, yeah, now stop. That set on the left-hand side, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullish candles.
Yeah.
When that starts to go down and comes back, is that those buyers selling, finding a sell point to take profit before it goes down again?
I think I couldn't get your question. Could you repeat that?
Okay.
I mean, which one you're talking about? This
Right,
this
so
this one or this one?
Take your cursor to the left.
This
Right.
one. This one?
No, more.
This one?
A little bit more to the
This one?
left. Yeah, now that
Okay.
one, the one below it, the one below it, the one below it.
Okay.
That long bull.
Okay.
Now, when
Yeah.
you go back over to the right-hand side where you showed me when it breaks that line, it's got to come back up. Is these people, those 4 bullish candles, is that them taking their profit before the sell-off starts again?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay.
Yes. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Exactly. Okay, so we are here holding in the same ranging market. Yeah. It's sold off from here. And always. So another like a silly mistake that most of the trader does is like this is very common mistake. That's why they lose money. It's very common. It's very noticeable. They could at least think a little bit twice. Okay, is it good time to sell? Is it good time to buy? Am I going to profit from this market? Or if I lose, how much money I'm going to lose from this market? I think this is the hugest part that every single trader should know. Anyway, I said that already many times, but once again, I am going to share my documentation, which is, are we in a monthly and weekly support or resistance? I think like support is always on the bottom side. We don't want to sell from support, and resistance is always on the top of the market. We do not want to buy from there. So is any kind of monthly price action at this level? Price action means this is price action. Then it has to make some kind of higher highs and higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is for uptrend, price action. It's kind of, if in a monthly time frame, what if market is doing this one, it may come even down. That's why look. That's why understanding when to buy. So sometime market will come here and make this. This is resistant. Make a new support and go buy from here. So understanding this chart will help you so much. Okay, so much. So this is for the uptrend market. This is called price action, and for downtrend, of course, market will always come down from the top, top of the mountain up. Like so this is higher low and lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So look, market will always make a step, but not all the time. But even I'll show you, even a gold, it will make some kind of steps. Even a 15 minutes chart, 20 minutes chart, not 20, half an hour, But when you see that in a monthly chart, there is no step. Why? Because it's buying, 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 buying. There is no step. But in a small time frame, you'll see there is a price action happening. The market will do some kind of correction. This is called correction. This is impulsive move. We want to buy, sell from this impulsive move. Sell from here. This is a corrective move. We don't want to buy from here. Some people still buy little bit, like 20 pips. Remember, we bought 20 pips, 10 pips, AUD USD, 10 pips just before. Some people will sell from here. This is the impulsive move we want to get in. Impulsive move, sell from here. This is a price action. So you need to check if there any price action forming in the monthly time frame. And any long wick candle. Okay, this is the magic pill. This is a magic pill. Long wick candle means if there is a long wick on the top of the, like say resistance level, so market is going to go sell off. Remember, there is already a sellers are pushing candlestick down. Market is going downward. Same thing when there is a doji candle, means on the resistance level, market is going to sell off. That is also another. You need to make your eye, so much familiar with this candle, like with long wick candles. Where is the long wick candle? Is this in the bottom side? Is it in the top side? If in a top side, market is going to sell. If it is in a bottom side, market is going to buy. So, but is there any multiple rejection in the market? Multiple rejection, like I showed you before in AUD USD the chart. Even in a 5-minute chart, you will see small candle try to go through that level, but it will not go. I'll quickly show you the same. Probably this will help you. Look, market number one. This is a multiple rejection. 1, 2, 3. Look, there is a rejection at the top as well. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So there is a rejection in between both sides. That's why it's a ranging market, right? Now I was sharing with you.
You see those wicks there, the long wicks. You can see
Yeah.
right up.
See,
long
I
wick.
told you to sell from here.
Yeah,
Did you see what happens here? Can you see how market is selling now?
yeah, yeah.
See,
yeah.
I'm not lying it. Like this is literally you will see in the market. We only bought for 10 pips, which is probably $10 if you're one lot size. No,
Yes.
0.10 lot size. Now I told you to sell. It is called break and retest. So like, it came down. It broke, like at least came down and this is a retrace. Okay, retrace means market came up to retest the same level and it has to come down now. Will it happen? No. Sometime no, it will not happen. Market may go upward as well from here. That's why you need to check this level. Which level? This level. If market is doing something from here, crossing this level, it will sell. It will sell heavily again. But if it doesn't cross it, again, maybe buy another time. So look, I have to close my trade. Look like market is going to buy for a little while, especially gold. Sorry, not buy, sell. If it broke this line, it will be crazy. But I'm holding it with my belief, then it will be okay. It will be okay. Let's see. Yeah, market is really, scaring everyone here, but that's okay. So are you getting what I'm trying to share here? Is it making
Yes,
some sense? That's
I'm
good.
just making a bit of a drawing here.
That's good. That's good. Okay, so yeah, multiple rejection candle, loss of momentum candle, or any other kind of pattern. Remember, pattern means I already shared with you, head and shoulder, double top, double bottom. Those are the patterns. It works 80% only, not 100%. Look, they are not 100%. No indicators are 100%. No patterns are 100% because market can do anything it wants. It's not in our hand. So that was for you as a like swing trader. So even you are a swing trader or even intraday trader or a scalper, what must do is, are we at the weekly level? Weekly level means it's a multiple rejection. There is a support. Is this level obvious? Was it recently respected? What do you mean by respected? Look, market is selling very, very heavy. It's going to cross the line. I would like to show. This is what happens. See, market will do like something like this. I want to show you.
So it continually rejects at that level.
Yeah. Continue to reject this level. Yes. Same. Oh, can you see that? That's to touch the stop loss from the people. Yeah. So look like it is going to sell. Same thing. I think it did AUD USD as well, because if it does close the candle below, means the body has to close below this, this line, then it will sell. That's for sure. But if doesn't, same thing here. See, you can see same thing. It is holding that level. It is holding that level. Yeah. So that's funny part. That's why you have to be strong. I mean, hold that belief. Even though I lose that money, that's okay. I'm learning something new. I'm learning something new. Because just never be disappointed if you lose some. Learn when was the best time to enter the market. Look, I am learning something from this right now, this trade. Yeah, I mean, I'm still in a loss, but I'm learning something. It's okay. Next time, whatever I did today, like whatever trade I took today, looking at whatever, that will be the lesson for me, that I will not repeat that again. But your belief is like, if your analysis is right, no matter what happens, you'll find the way to make money from the market. Seriously, you'll find the way to make money from the market. So right now, how much? Okay, let me quickly see. Yeah, so market came down, try to scare, and yeah, and now it's going to. I don't know how far it will go. Now the time is, you will see the green candle will fly up. This is what happens. It will fly. Because that was the scary part. It is a trap for the sellers. That was the trap for the sellers. But I have no idea what will happen in the market because no one knows, no one controls the market. But I'm sharing because I'm in a trade. That's what that's what I'm sharing my real feeling with you. When you trade with the real money, you have to go through that, but you have to be someone with the neutral, you keep your mind neutral, no emotionally attached with money. Even you,
Yeah.
money will come to me no matter what. I know money will come to me no matter what. Even though I lost this trade, there will be another winning trades for me. That's how your mindset should be, always, always, always. So for here, 1
You want
minute
to
time
zero
frame, look.
in on that a little bit? Yeah, can you in on that? Because it looks like
Yeah.
the EMA 20 is starting to level out and it'll lift. It
Yes,
looks like it
yes,
wants
yes,
to
yes,
come
yes,
back
yes,
up
yes,
and
yes.
cross the 200.
Yeah, it has crossed twice. That's why it's sold. Try to sell off now. Look, it has to
Yep.
make something like this 20 EMA has to go upward, and then our 200 has to come down. See, that's how you'll understand again. Market will go to buy again.
Yeah.
Market will to buy. Yeah, let's see. Look. That's I was showing you like this is how you saw the market. How what was it doing? Right? It was like crossing this line. Oh my God, was really really crazy. It may come down again. We have no idea. We have no idea. That's okay. I'll leave that one for now. Whatever it will do. It's a big lesson. It will be another lesson for me. But let's go back to our, like suppose was it respected or supported resistant? What it acted as weekly time frame? That's for the swing trade, right? Swing trade. And no, like I am using 20 EMA, so you can take as a 20 and 200 EMA as well. Okay, is it respecting? Respecting means um, you can see they are crossing each other or they are acting as a support and resistance. That's what it does. And evidently, you don't need all the look. You don't need to see everything, but always have a look the price action. So what is the price action? I showed you price action is something it will make a higher highs and higher low. Long wick candle, multiple rejection, loss of this momentum candle, and 20 EMA. That's what the trader like a swing trader, which is who wants to stay in the long time frame. But for you, I will say scalping. That's what I'll teach you. My style of trading is literally I do intraday and mixed trading. It's a mixed trading. Why? Because I do sometimes scalp. I do. This is the session 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. is the Sydney session. 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. is Tokyo session. They are overlapping each other. And there is 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. is a London session. And then 10 p.m., 10:30 p.m. to 6 a.m. is our New York session, right? So this is the time most of the money will be made. Seriously, then this is the time most of the money will be made. Even sometime London, because this overlapping each other. 10:30 afterwards is the biggest momentum in the market, and have a solid trading plan. So that's example is like you have to have a which currency pair do you want to trade, and then which one probably you are familiar with, or which pattern, which strategy, candlestick week, or the kind of like trigger engulf candle. Look, I would say always follow this engulf candle pattern. What does that mean? Every time you see the market with the bigger candlestick, I will show you what that means. Okay. If you see candlestick, look, there is a lot of fake move right now in the market, really fake move you can see right now. But when there is a big candle, for example, I don't know where is the big candle. I don't see many big candle here. There is a one, a red big candle. Look, if it makes a bigger, like suppose this candle is bigger, means it has to be engulf. It has to be engulf. Means suppose there is a 5 candle ahead of this, it has to be bigger than the 2 to 3 candle. At least shape of the 2 to 3 candle will be equivalent to this one. Then it's engulf. Means now, look, honestly, then if I had entered from here, from this market, I had made $2,000 right now in front of you. 300, yeah, $2,000 right now. Seriously. But market doesn't want to move that fast. So there is a huge correction, huge multiple rejection here is also happening here. You can see here is also, it is not crossing this line. I will close it, not to worry. But this one was scary, 79.56. It is coming downward, exactly the same level. See, same level, exactly the same level. Previous, a little bit higher. This is an engulf candle. Okay, means that whenever you see this kind of bigger candlestick right here, means that there are sellers sitting here. This is a fake momentum. This is a fake momentum. But I still believe, I don't know if that's the belief system. Sometimes we, trade our belief system. This time it may come down. See, that's the engulf candle. So I'm closing all the trade. Oh, it's going upward again. Oh my God, Ted. This is what happens when you trade real money. Yes, this is what happens. I mean, look, I am just holding it, but I am thinking like if it tried to cross this line downward, I want to close manually, So I we'll trade together. Don't worry, we'll trade together.
So that when you see a big engulfed candle, it really does, it indicates the direction to come, yeah?
Yeah. So the momentum is towards that side, but it was not engulf. It was actually, you can say long wick candle. See, it's a long wick candle. So whenever you see the long wick candle means, according to our checklist, market supposed to buy from here. The long wick candle. Can you see the long wick candle then?
Yeah.
Yeah. So long wick candle means there are some buyers sitting up here. And if there is a long wick candle up here, see, there was some seller sitting here.
Yes.
See, I mean, we are not crossing by this line, but my belief system is it will cross. As soon as I stop this session, I think it will, start to sell. It start to buy. That's the belief. But like our belief system doesn't work in the market. Then that's like when you have a little bit of experience. I think that's what I know how this gold moves. It is supposed to buy. It is supposed to buy, but before it buys significantly, it will go and sell off. That's what it is doing right now. That's what it's doing right now. But it's holding right now. It's holding that same position here. You will see big push. It will make that big significant push. All of my TP will hit right, instantly. So that's if I was scared, because I have done many times that one. If I'm in loss, I will close the trade manually. I mean, when you do that, means you don't have your proper analysis. So it's crossing that. Wow, it's crossing that line. Crossing the. Let's see. It's crossing that line. That line. If it's crossed that line, means market is no, again red. Come on. Yeah,
At the moment, it's still really testing that line.
Yes, it's still testing. Yes.
Ooh. Hello, here we go.
Yeah. It has to. Even it can test from here again. Yes. It can test from here. Because this is the recent, this one the recent. Yeah. So this, like, you can see already this is the engulf candle then. This is the engulf candle. Now buyers are already in the market. And that's what you understand. Even you can turn your losing trade into the winning trade. So do not close the trade if it's in loss. Understand the market. Where is the key level? This is the key level. Okay, if it crossed this line, suppose, okay, hang on. I'll delete this one. Look at this. Look at that. The reason why I didn't close the trade, even I was in a huge loss, because I knew market was going to go upward. Having said that, it may come down again from here. It is testing this line so many times. Remember that. See? It's testing. So yeah, this is what it is. But it has to cross this line again. Cross this line.
So really, you need to rely in large part on your support and resistance levels.
Yes, yes, yes. That's the key. That's the key. Like if you understand how this support and resistance works, you will take action more mainly from that level. Mainly from that level. Yeah. Literally, I missed the trade. Then I could have bought from here. Even I should have told you to buy from here. This is you will feel the experience of winning as well, winning trade. Probably next week we'll trade together. Okay, so I'll ask you like, this is the good timing to buy. Then do you want to buy? Maybe we'll buy together. And look, then you know the psychology. Okay, why she is buying it? Okay, what did she see? Why is that happening? Why? Like say that can also help. Look, if someone will buy from here, now chances are, let's see how far it will reach. Maybe the next key level is here, here, okay, and then the next one is the latest one, which is on the top of the mountain right now here. But before it cross that level, it will come down again. That's what market will do. That has done already many times. So remember, again testing the same level, testing the same level.
So is it going to come back down to in that you're just setting up twin peaks there, and between those twin peaks, you've got what will be a resistance level? Is it, you think it's going to come down, and at that as a resistance level, it will become a support level? You see the one I'm talking about?
Look, in this case, no. In this case, no. So because this is resistant. Again, another resistant is respected. It will sell off again.
Here. I'm talking a little bit lower down.
Oh yeah. This one, it may make another support from here, and it may go up. Yes. Very good. Like suppose this was a resistant. Okay, it came down, it came up and came down again, and now yes, it from here it may go up.
And
See,
that becomes a support.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah, so look, yeah, lovely. Yeah, so we will trade together. Okay, so for the intraday trader, for example, like for you, like someone like me, as an engulf candle is the most never enter the market when there is a kind of lot of drama and choppy and lot of like fake movement are happening, fake move. There will be some many fake move in the market. So at least you have to have confirmation, which is 6 to 7. What is it in support level? Is it in resistance level? Is the engulf candle is forming, or is this, whatever is checklist that I have shared right now with you. Like for example, these are all the checklists that high quality pivot entry. That is, what does that mean? High quality means never sell from the support, lower low. No, never sell. Aggressive pivot entry, that is also very possible. What is this mean? Is using only the daily or 4 hour. That is for the swing kind of trading style. But I'm sharing intraday, which is intraday means short time frame analysis. So for that one, look, trend line continuation or break of trend, pattern formation, double top, double bottom, triangle wedges, head and shoulder, candlestick formation. What does that mean? Candlestick formation means like a engulf candle, shooting star, morning star, doji, dragonfly, doji, whatever. And these mostly I will tell this is the most reliable, trade. The candle. This is the most reliable. So other probably doesn't really work. Hang on. Okay, yeah. This one I'll just highlight. So mostly reliable is like whenever you see this candle, they are more reliable because this candle cannot be formed by the retail trader. So only the bank can form this. And this one is like, for me, like I used to use 50. 50 is also very good, but 20 and slash 200 EMA, you can use that as well. That is also, it is making a support level or resistance level. Is it pointing towards upward? Like if you already saw in front of me, right? If it is pointing upward, the 20 EMA, its market is going up. If it's pointing downward, market is going down. So even in a short time frame, you can have so only intraday, that is most obvious. Follow the trend most of the time, okay? And only trade trending market if it is reversing, have a more confirmation. What does that mean is you must have, this is really important, important. So this is my rule for trading. Even though I still make some mistakes out of this. Seriously, I want to be very honest. Market must have momentum in the direction that you are looking to buy or sell. See, momentum means it must make that momentum in the market, you know. So here it will come down, probably from here it will buy again, but market must make a momentum. It's now, where do you see the momentum going? Upward, right? From here right now you can see momentum is going upward.
Yes.
Then sometime what happens is, if there is a heavy strong resistance here, market may not break that, or sometime it will break. So this case, it may break or may not break, we have no idea. But what I would like you to do is make sure that there is a heavy momentum in the direction that you are buying or selling. For example, look, if you're selling here, there is a heavy momentum. If you're buying even in a small time frame, if I go to the 30-minute time frame, look, this is the best thing to show you. Uh, where is the momentum? This is the crazy momentum. It happened last week, Friday, at middle night, 2 a.m. I think it's 1 a.m. Started from 1 a.m. Oh my God, till how long? Till almost 4:30. It was selling. That was a free fall, I would say. Free fall. You know, if someone made money, they made billions of dollars, trillions of dollars from this fall. Seriously.
Yeah.
That's why always have a heavy momentum in the market to trade. Do not trade when there is no momentum. For now, look, I was a silly bugger. Why I enter the market? Silly bugger. I'm teaching you not to do something, but I'm still doing it. That's the mistake. That's why I'm still making thousands of dollars from the market, but there is a room to improve. Imagine how much, evolving market is. It's evolving every day. It's evolving. So I didn't close the trade because I was holding this trade. I was in loss. But my belief is still market is going to break it. If doesn't break it, that's totally fine. I will move my stop loss to 82 now, because I will not lose much now. You know what I mean? Like, this is how you manage your trade. If you think you have to wait another 2 days to finish this trade, do not just wait. Close it. Okay, close it. But you think market is going to go upward now, engulf candle. Look at that. I was talking, this is what I'm talking about. Engulf candle. It is breaking. So it already broke the line. This is live, I'm sharing with you, and it's actually started to make some profit for me already, because I think I entered somewhere from, I don't know, here. Yeah, did.
With I mean, I can set an alarm on TradingView on my computer, but is there any way I can set an alarm on the phone?
Oh, yeah. You have to download the TradingViews application. Download the TradingView application. TradingView application.
Oh, okay.
App. There is an app. Yeah. Oh my God. I will show you. I have 4 alarms. I got a 4. I don't know how to show you. I did not know this one. Yeah. So it's very good idea to do that. Yes. Good.
I just go to Google App or Google Apps.
Yeah, Google app. Yeah. So say tradingviews.com.
Right.
Yes, TradingView. Oh my God. This is what I was talking about then. Market, now it's going upward. I'm glad it did. Yeah, it did. Thank God. See, you already know the momentum of the market, because overall market is uptrend. And now look at the crossover. Can you see the crossover? And whenever 200 is downward, so look, it is not 100% this indicator, but I'm sharing with you because I know the momentum, and I know, how this is working for the longer time frame. Bigger time frame market is buying. That's why, look, I was buying somewhere here. I should not. So this is a lesson for me. Next time, probably I will not trade when I'm teaching, so I can focus on teaching more. I wanted to take some profit.
After your first yellow line.
Yeah, see?
So it's moving so fast, do you think it might even go further?
It will cross this. It will cross. This is it. It made test again here. It made test again here in this line, and it will. So this is incredible thing to do together. So I can teach you. And look, if you struggle, then to make money even after learning, we will sit down together and trade together. So I make sure that you recover whatever the expenses you are, what spending for your self-help, whatever, like learning. It's a journey. It's a great journey to have. And look at that. Look at that. Yeah. It just tested. See, that's a test. That's the test. Okay. So I might close it now. Let's see because no, I think market is still going to go higher. But why should I close it now? I'm almost about to hit the TP, right? Why should I? So this is the mindset. I was in a losing phase, and now I just waited. See, market will come back to the direction where it is. That's why follow the trend. Always follow the trend, and do not take the trade in the wrong direction. What will happen is that will, well, not of course, if it will hit your stop loss anyways if you are in the wrong direction.
Yeah, the buyer, the sellers are just fighting back. Yeah.
Yeah. So from here, exactly, test it. So that's what it will do. It's that the structure. That's why it is the structure. Like this is the structure, resistance structure level. It has to break this line to again continue to buy. So once it's broke this line, oh my God, it will fly. It will fly. Literally, it will go to 24 right now. May happen within today, within couple of hours. If not, it will come down again it may come down again. That's also for sure, because when market bought, when market bought,
Go back there. You froze for about 30 seconds.
yeah, so I saw that. I think that's internet. When market is moving this much, it wants to come down a little bit. That's what it is. So having said that, so okay, so please make a note of the checklist then. Any question for today's session?
No. Well, it's a lot to absorb. So I'll have questions next week.
No problem. Happy trading.
Thank you
Don't
very
close. Yeah, don't close the trade, and no disappointment, because it's a learning phase. It's a like, more you observe, more you learn, more you see the market, you'll understand. So
Yes.
just have a couple of couple of currency pairs. Even I think the amount of currency pair is okay for me. Whatever you're trading, it's okay. They are very decent, very good currencies. Yeah, I think you did AUD, GBP USD, and then AUD USD, and then USD JPY as well. I think USD JPY as well, which is another one of my favorite currency.
Yeah.
Because you see, you need to understand what the market is doing over. It's actually heavily uptrend. See, it's uptrend. It's not even trying to come down. Then you don't want to sell off here. No, you don't want to sell. You will get into the market from the pull up. Pull up means now it's making another pull up. Maybe it's kind of okay. 1 hour chart. It's like a double top. It may sell off here. It may sell off little bit. Sell off little bit, and then it will buy again. That's what you have to do. Sell off little bit, buy. Yes.
It was going to
Yes.
go down.
Yes.
It's down lowest in 20 years or something. So
Yes.
yeah.
Yes, true. So, okay, I will let you go. It's almost, I have to go for shopping today, big shopping and there is an event happening for my daughter, kind of ritual, our ritual, some kind of religious things.
Yeah, cool.
I'll take care, okay? I'll see
Thank
you
you
next
very
week.
much.
Take care.
Yes,
Bye.
bye-bye.